everyone. Hi, my name is Alma Pina and we're here at Hilltop Gallery for our Saturday art classes. Today we'll be doing, since it's December, it's the Christmas holidays, we'll be doing snowflakes. Snowflakes made out of craft sticks. I don't know if you've ever seen craft sticks. Look at these they have different shapes, so it'll make a very lovely snowflake. I'll give you the materials we're going to be using today. So our hot glue gun, and remember, little ones, tell mommy or daddy to help you, or an adult to help you with a glue gun, okay? We're going to use glitter. Oops, make sure glitter is, you have a container to use it as a base so it won't fall, and it won't fall on mama's carpet because you know what could happen. Oops. So then we're going to use some ribbon, some scissors, all these little cute, I think they're Christmas things that we could use on our snowflake. Little bit of beads. So we're gonna begin. This one's simple and it's pretty quick, but look at, I have white ones. They do sell them in colors, but I painted them beforehand, okay? So if you want to, you could paint them. So I chose white snowflake, and then I chose blue for the other snowflake. And then you could just use plain color because it could be rusted. So, but I got another idea. I wanted to use sticks. So you could go outside and start picking your sticks from your garden. And we could use these to make our snowflakes too. They come out pretty nice and rusted. Okay, now we're gonna begin. I'm gonna do a white one first. So you could use 4 or 5. So it's up to you how big or how small you want your snowflake. But we're gonna start, we're gonna get one. We're gonna put some glue in the middle. And then we're gonna glue one on top, like a cross. You could say like a plus sign or a cross. Then wait a little bit to get dry. And then the other one, you're gonna put it across from the T like this. You put it right there. See, it's already starting to look like a snowflake. So we put some more glue on there. Put it across. See how it's getting its shape? It looks like a beautiful snowflake. Then we're gonna put another one here across like that. Okay? So see how it looks like a snowflake? Okay, very nice. And it even looks pretty like that, just simple. But if you want to add glitter, here comes the fun part. We're gonna put some glitter on. Okay, how about some gold? I'm gonna put some gold glitter. I'm gonna use this glue and add a little bit of put it in every little, on the top. Well, it's up to you how you want to decorate your snowflake. You could decorate it however you want. Have fun with it, enjoy it. Have fun with the glitter, but make sure it stays inside the plate. Just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Then you shake off the little excess, and see, it's looking beautiful, nice and shiny. Now we're gonna put something in. See, they're nice and simple. We're gonna put something in the middle. How about a red one, a red little bead? We're gonna put it in the middle. There you go. See. Now, see, I'm already done. I'm just gonna put a little string, so that way you could hang it wherever you want, in the Christmas tree, in your doorknob. So I'm gonna use green ribbon. So we're gonna put this in the back. Just put some little bit of glue in the back. you could glue it on. Let it dry. And there you go. See? Then once that gets dry, get all these little pieces of glue hanging around here. You're done. And that's your finished product, and you have your little snowflake. So look at this one, doesn't want to go away, this little piece of glue. Okay, so this is it. And I'll give you another color. You could use blue if you want. I'll make this one very quick, okay? See how blue looks. That looks pretty too, look at. Very nice. So, we're gonna use some blue. A darker blue, like a navy blue, we'll use. Let's see how it turns out. Put some glue in the corners. All the corners. Then put some in the middle. I'm just gonna put more glitter in the middle. So we get some glue and shake, shake, shake. Another one. A little bit more glue on the top of that one. That one, you can still see some of the glue. Shake it off. Then you could try to put a little bit. You could use some of your paper wrapping paper. You know how you get a lot of little scraps. Cut little pieces, just little pieces, however shape you want. Just a little, and then you could glue them on. This one will be more tricky. Let's see. Get here. Oh, this one doesn't want to stay. That's what you gotta be careful with the glue. And now I understand glitter. It gets all over the place. Make sure you have a piece of wet cloth maybe to help you clean your hands as you're going. That way they don't stick to you. Something like that. There, like that. So you could put a lot of them or a little bit. These are nice and dainty, so now we'll put the string. Up here, this one won't stay. Go. So these are your snowflakes, and right now I'll show you the one already done. Okay, this one's the one I told you about, the out of wood, of branches that you could get outside. See how pretty? You could do it out of branches. You do it the same way, the same technique. With those, you do that one. So there you go. And here's another finished one, different colors. So you could use all kinds of colors you want, different colors you could use, and anything you want to put on your snowflakes. Well, thank you so much. Merry Christmas.